Hey, what's up? I got this bark collar that was sent to me so I can make a honest review and share with you my thoughts of this innovative product. I'm always a little skeptical regarding this kind of products, but I can say that if it is used in the right manner, it can be a game changer for training your dog and of course having a peaceful and quiet home when it needs to be quiet. Before talking about the collar, remember that your dog has needs that are meant to be covered, such as exercise and mental stimulation. Excessive barkness could be a lack of both or one of them. Said that, I want to mention that this collar caught my attention since it offers multiple modes, including the ultrasonic mode that emit a high-pitched sound. It is totally inaudible to us humans, but it grabs my dog's attention instantly and stops the barking right away. The combination of ultrasonic sound and a beep function has taught my body to stay calm and quiet in the most friendly possible way. Other thing that I love about this collar is its versatility. It comes with various working modes including an ultrasonic plus beep, vibration, and even ultrasonic plus beep plus vibration combo. And for those who prefer not to use shock mode, there's a no shock mode too. With 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, I can easily switch modes with just a press of a button to find the perfect fit for my dog's training needs. It charges in just 2 hours and lasts up to 10 to 15 days, according to the description. I would have to say that this collar would go better with large and medium dogs. Small dogs could use it, but probably the screen is a bit big for really small dogs. The strap seems durable and it can fit neck sizes ranging from 6 to 25 inches, plus it's IP67 waterproof, which means my dog can splash, swim, and play in the rain without any worries. So, if you're looking for a collar that helps you correct your dog's bad habits, this is a great option. Feel free to test the different modes. Not every dog is the same and there is not an exact formula. Some dogs could react better to vibration and other dogs to sound pitch. And this is the good thing about this collar. You can make your own custom combo that works with your dog.